To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. What am I? I am made of bricks or wood. I have doors. I have windows. You can live in me. House. I am a house. I come in pairs. I cover hands. I keep hands warm. Gloves. I am gloves. I am sharp. I can cut things. I'm used in art class. Scissors. I am scissors. I come in a pair. You can tie me. I come in different sizes. You must wear me outside. Shoes. I am shoes. I am a reptile. I'm long. I can slither. I am scary. Snake. I am a snake. I am hot. I am dangerous. I can keep you warm. I can cook food. Fire. I am fire. I have buttons or a zipper. I have pockets. I can keep you warm. You need me in winter. Coat. I am a coat. I am big. Use me when it rains. I can keep you dry. Umbrella. I am an umbrella. I am on your bed. I am soft. I am comfortable. You rest your head on me. Pillow. I am a pillow. I am a mammal. I can roar loudly. I have a long mane. I am the king of the jungle. Lion. I am a lion. I am big. I use electricity. You can watch me. I show many programs. TV. I am a TV. I am a reptile. I am green. I have 4 legs. I have a long tongue. Frog. I am a frog. I am long. I have many wheels. I carry many people. Train. I am a train. I use electricity. I'm in your room. I light up the room. I help you see in the dark. Lamp. I am a lamp. I am big. I carry many people. I sail in the sea. Boat. I am a boat.